Hey, my name is Dillon. I'm working with DCC Construction on a residential project, building a new driveway and some concrete walkways. Today, we'll be doing compacting tire rebar and getting some forms up to get the base prepped. We're using our Tomahawk compactor. You gotta have good grade and compaction or else, you'll either be short on yards or you'll end up with serious cracks and damage that will need to be fixed down the line. Tomahawks, they hit hard and they're reliable. They start up every other pull. It's got plenty of power and packs everything down tight without having to keep going over it. Plus, it's a lot easier too with the wheels on it to lift it. You just put out a ramp and just slide it down, roll it around to wherever you need it to. I'd recommend this compactor to anyone doing concrete prep, building driveways, patios, or any groundwork. The Tomahawk Plate Compactor is awesome. It runs good and it's got a lot of power. It makes the job easier and gives you results that last.